Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. From the bottom of my heart, thank you to all my supporters for helping me achieve this. I definitely wouldn't have been able to do this without you. I will admit this has been a long overdue video. This was intended to be released last year, however, due to some personal problems in the end of 2021 and extending well into 2022, this was massively delayed. Without further ado, here is my 100,000 subscriber Silver Creator Award. Just reading you the paper included with my award. Do you remember your first subscriber? Do you remember your 100th? Or do you remember your 1,000th subscriber? Chances are you do, and we know you definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they found your channel, fans stayed here and their numbers increased because of your unique voice and the excitement of being part of the growing community that you established. We are thrilled to see the development of your community and are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with this Silver Creator Award. Congratulations! We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know that your fans can't wait for you to engage and amaze them with even more of your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building, we can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your millionth subscriber, we may even just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber? Yours sincerely, Susan, CEO from YouTube. And here's my award. Thinking back when I first started, the first video I ever uploaded was back in February of 2011, and that was when I had my 2004 VW Golf TDI. Here's a little sample of the first video.
Now this I have here is 2004 Volkswagen Golf. Okay, first what you want to do, you want to take a flat screwdriver. Okay, now I put some electrical tape on the end of it.
Back then I was only using a point and shoot camera, which had a video resolution of 480p, and my audio was far from perfect. Before my YouTube account, I did have a BMW help website which consisted of a bunch of written tutorials submitted by people. Regardless of the platform, I wanted to make something which people could benefit from, teach new skills, and provide a way of saving money. Today I have almost 700 videos on my channel and counting. All my old videos are still here, feel free to check them out. Being part of the YouTube community has been a huge learning experience for me, and as my channel continues, there will always be something new for me to learn. I'm happy to say I eventually transitioned over to a camera capable of shooting 4K footage, and did invest in a proper microphone along the way. I am very grateful to have this opportunity. And to further give back to everyone, I have been partnering with different automotive related retailers to provide discount codes so everyone can benefit from that. I will post these discount or coupon codes on various social media platforms over time. Sometimes I do get questions on additional ways to help support me. Make sure you are watching my videos and hitting that like button, which helps with the YouTube algorithms, improving the successfulness of each of my videos. I do have other social media platforms which I keep active, such as Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. You can follow those as well. An indirect monetary way to help keep my channel going, as YouTube does have its ups and downs, with earnings depending on the time of year and trends, I have partnered with various automotive suppliers. Their affiliated links are included on different videos. With every sale from clicking on that affiliated link, I'll earn a percentage of that sale. This also applies to my Amazon product links too. Either option is no added cost to you. And finally, as a donating option, I do have Patreon and PayPal donate options on my website. I am currently working on adding a YouTube membership to my channel too. Over the last year, I've been working with some merchandise as well. Eventually, I'm hoping to add more. So if there's something you'd like to see, just let me know and I'll see what I can do. Thank you again, everyone. I couldn't be happier with your dedicated support to my channel. My videos will always remain free to everyone to benefit from, and I'm always happy to read everyone's feedback in my videos. I do try my best to get back to everyone's comments. Wishing everyone a happy and prosperous 2023, and as always, thank you for watching.